Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to get gold bricks in the Walking Dead games. Gold bricks are a highly valuable in-game currency, primarily used to acquire formidable S-class characters, which are vital for building a strong team. These special bricks are not always easy to come by, but with the right strategies, you can consistently add them to your inventory. We'll explore the key methods to collect these essential resources, helping you enhance your survivor roster. One of the most reliable ways to earn gold bricks is through active participation in special in-game events. Many events feature gold bricks as rewards for completing various challenges or reaching specific milestones. These can include anything from defeating a certain number of walkers to achieving high scores in competitive modes. Always keep an eye on your game's event calendar, as these opportunities are often time-sensitive and can provide a significant boost to your gold brick collection. Beyond events, daily activities and special offers are excellent sources for gold bricks. Make sure to complete your daily quests and claim login bonuses, as these often provide a small but consistent stream of bricks. Additionally, keep an eye on the in-game shop for limited-time bundles or special offers that include gold bricks. In some games, like Road to Survival, you might find them in a gray market section, allowing you to acquire your first S-class character with 10 gold bricks. Finally, your faction or clan can be a powerful asset in acquiring gold bricks. Many games feature faction-based events where teamwork is crucial for earning top rewards, including these valuable bricks. Actively participating and contributing to your faction's collective goals can significantly boost your chances. In games like The Walking Dead, survivors, you can even make brick donations to your clan, limited to 30 donations per clan member, aiding in overall progress and potentially unlocking more rewards.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.